Namaskar. I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. The rapid rise in illegal migration is reshaping Mumbai, the economic powerhouse of India, in deeply troubling ways. Known as the city of dreams, Mumbai is now grappling with the demographic shift that is bringing about profound changes in its social, economic, and cultural fabric. A recent report by the Tata Institute of Social Sciences has highlighted alarming demographic trends, particularly noting shifts in the Hindu and Muslim populations in the city. The implications of these changes are significant and concerning. According to the TISS report, the Hindu population in Mumbai, which was once at a robust 88% in 1961, has fallen sharply to 66% by 2011. Conversely, the Muslim population has nearly tripled over the same period, climbing from 8% in 1961 to 21% in 2011. This trend, if unchecked, could see the Hindu population in Mumbai drop to below 54% by 2051, with the Muslim population potentially rising to 30%. One of the most unsettling aspects of the shift is the surge in illegal infiltrators, primarily from Bangladesh and Myanmar, particularly members of the Bangladeshi and Rohingya communities. This influx has introduced severe strain on Mumbai's already overburdened infrastructure, as many of these migrants settle in slum areas, exacerbating issues of overcrowding, poverty, and lack of access to essential services. In the past 4 years alone, over 50,000 individuals are estimated to have illegally entered India through border crossings, and that number soars to 150,000 when considering accompanying family members. This influx is akin to small town forming within the city limits, destabilizing resources, employment, and opportunities for locals. Compounding the issue, the report suggests that some political parties may be leveraging these illegal migrants to bolster their voter base. Through fake voter IDs, ration cards, and Aadhaar cards, these infiltrators are participating in elections, which not only distorts the democratic process but also jeopardizes Mumbai's cultural integrity and security. The presence of illegal migrants has intensified tension with local communities, creating a breeding ground for unrest and exploitation. Human trafficking is a significant concern, with many migrant women forced into prostitution. Meanwhile, reports indicate that 40% of these infiltrators are sending money back to their families in Bangladesh, draining resources from India and its citizens. The impact of these infiltrators on local employment is alarming. Quietly setting into communities, they often outnumber locals, particularly Hindus, and have allegedly pressured them to relocate from certain areas. Disturbingly, some communal clashes have reportedly seen these infiltrators actively involved in incidents of violence, including stone pelting and arson. Neighborhoods such as Govandi, Kurla, and Mankhurd have been hardest hit, with essential services severely lacking due to overcrowding, worsening the already dire conditions of poverty and employment for local residents. Journalists and social analysts are sounding the alarm, calling this report a crucial warning. These illegal infiltrators have entered not through airports but by bypassing borders, exposing serious vulnerabilities in India's national security. Recently, a Bangladeshi YouTuber openly detailed methods of infiltration, underscoring how porous the borders have become. The current demographic trends presents a stark reality that cannot be ignored. As the city's population dynamics continue to shift, Mumbai's cultural identity, social harmony, and economic stability stand on increasingly shaky ground. Urgent action is needed to address this looming crisis before it fundamentally reshapes the city and jeopardizes the future of its residents. Jai Hind.